Instance, when the titans of pre-flight check. Instance, when the titans of commercial aviation reach the end of their lives, their journey is far from over. Their aerospace-grade titanium
Cranes 1 and 2 secure the main strut. Begin extraction sequence B in 3 minutes.
Commercial aircraft contain hundreds of thousands of pounds of high-tensile alloys. We extract the purest metals, discarding the rest. Before the alloy can be purified, the massive airliner panels must be brutally shredded down to the molecular level. The shredders reduce the passenger jet to jagged fragments. High-powered lasers and magnets extract only the premium aerospace titanium and aluminum.
The old paint and commercial sealants are vaporized. What remains is fed into a 3,000-degree electric arc furnace.
To withstand the extreme G-forces of supersonic combat, classified titanium powder is injected into the liquid aluminum, creating a super alloy.
The old airliner has been purified and strengthened. It is reborn as a monolithic 40-ton ingot of weapons-grade alloy.
To form the skeleton of a fifth-generation fighter jet, the alloy must undergo thousands of tons of hydraulic pressure.
The forged skeleton is incredibly strong, but it must be sculpted to aerodynamic perfection by 5-axis CNC mills.
To evade enemy radar, the jet enters a classified facility to receive its radar-absorbent material, or RAM coating.
The heart of the beast is installed next. 2 afterburning turbofan engines, capable of producing 60,000 pounds of thrust.
The cockpit canopy, made from highly advanced polycarbonate layered with gold to scatter radar waves, is lowered into place.
From a retired passenger plane to the apex predator of the skies, it is time for the wind tunnel. Pre-flight checks are complete. The reborn titanium is ready to return to the stratosphere. A triumph of engineering and ultimate recycling.